You fucking rat. Oi, what?
What's your problem?
What's your problem? I fucking hate you. Where's my fucking mat, you rat?
Well, I don't know. Someone's been stealing my mat.
Yeah, well, why'd you blame fucking me?
I didn't.
Yeah, you fucking did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you fucking did. 'Cause my mat went the next day.
The next day from when?
From when yours went.
Well, I didn't know when mine went.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Have another drink, mate. 'Cause
I
you won't
will.
be here for fucking long.
No
I'm
worries.
telling you that.
No worries.
Yeah.
I will make sure you're home in the next 5 minutes.
Next 5 minutes, I'm fucking right here.